In this video, let's see how to connect Google Ads to Shopify. Visit Shopify and log in to your account. Once you're on the Shopify admin page, navigate to the Settings option in the menu bar. Select Apps and Sales Channels from the Settings menu. Click on Shopify App Store in the Apps and Sales Channels section. Enter Google and YouTube in the search bar at the top of the Shopify App Store page. Select Google and YouTube from the drop-down suggestions. Click the Install button next to the Google and YouTube app in the Shopify App Store. In the modal, click the Install button to grant access permissions for the app. Click the Connect Google Account button to link your Google account for app setup. After that, connect your Google Ads account, Merchant Center, and Google Business Profile if needed. Set up your target country, shipping settings, and product feed. Review your settings and click Finish Setup. So this is how to connect Google Ads to Shopify.